Welcome, today I am with JBL Charge 5 and I will show you how you can turn on or turn off this device. So as you can see right now, my device is activated. You can take a look on this power button and also, okay, this one is actually not highlight, never mind. So to turn off your device, you have to click once power button. As you can see and as you can hear, the device is turned off. To turn it on back, just click once this power button. And right now also we can take a look on this small indicator under the JBL, and that's all. So that's how we can turn on and turn off this speaker. If you have any problem with turning on with power on this device, you have to be sure that you charge your device. So we have to plug here the USB-C cable. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.